Hi, my name is Randall. I'm the Vice President of Applications Engineering here at DigiKey. DigiKey strives to bring the latest technologies, the latest suppliers, the latest products they can find so that you can design the most modern products you can. But of course, what's happening to board level components is also happening to tools. So I happen to bring a couple of tools with me that you can use to build your products. This first one is one from Klein Tools, and it is an RJ45 and an RJ11, RJ12 crimp tool. Now, I've bought a lot of these things at the big box stores, and those are not quite a professional tool. It's very easy to have one wire clip and touch another and thereby short two. Getting the color code right is problematic, having to hold it. Turns out what this tool has is it's got a razor blade so that you can stick your wire through, turn the wire, and you'll nick the jacket so that you can separate the jacket from the wire. And then the connectors that Klein sells are unique in that you take those wires, and on the side of this shows the correct color code. So you take your wires, you put them all the way through the Klein connector. You then put it into the back of this tool, you crimp it, it will push the wires into the insulation displacement connectors, but it'll also cut the wires that were sticking out flush. So you're sure that they're not shorting together, you've got a good bite there. So this is a professional tool that isn't out of budget. So this other tool that I have is from Hakko. Now Hakko makes soldering stations, and this is a revised unit. The original version of this was an analog unit, but this one's digital, which means it's got very tight temperature control. It's very easy to set up. In fact, it's got 2 to 5 presets. You determine how many you want, and you can set this up. It's good from 50 degrees centigrade to 480 degrees centigrade, and it's got dozens, scores of tips. So this is a first-class iron. I think it's less than $100 too. Thank you for watching.